course, recently lang, nagkaroon ng connoisseur civil. And now, ito nga, yung announcement na you will also have Dustin you experience. Somehow ba, parang dating tuloy, parang ano ba, may competition ba sa inyong dalawa? Yun muna.
Wala. Walang competition. Alam niyo, may sarili siyang career, may sarili rin akong career. At itong fan meet na to, hindi siya constant.
It is an experience, a one-of-a-kind experience.
Para siyang fan meet pala. Tama, para siyang more like interaction.
An exclusive date with you, actually.
Yeah.
Para mga Korean actor na nagpapanood.
Yes, parang gano'n. Sumuko pa ako ngayon.
Okay.
Walang competition. Straightforward, walang competition.
Walang competition kay Will in terms of career and love life.
Wala.
Okay. At least malinaw, di ba?
Yes.
Ayan.
Alam namin may mga talent ka naman, di ba? Like, nakikita namin mga videos mo na sumasayaw-sayaw ka, nakakasayaw ka naman. So dito, ano mga paandar ang gagawin mo sa Dustin yung experience? Magsasayaw ka ba? Tapos kakanta ka rin kahit konti? Kasi yung mga OPA naman, nagpe-perform din naman.
Oo. Tapos ako yung pinaplano namin yan kung saan magiging masaya talaga yung family o yung Dustin yung experience. So kung kailangan kong sumayaw, syempre, pagkatrabahuan natin yan. Kung kailangan kumanta, mamaya mag-workshop na ako ng singing. Tapos, madami pang surprises. Hindi lang performance. Madami. More of interactions talaga siya with people I love, mga supporters natin.
Yay! Congrats, Dustin!
Thank you. So, maraming salamat din sa mga supporters na lagi nandyan since PBB days. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At mahal ko kayo. Sana ma-sold out yung tickets ha. Of course, to my management, my GMA, Sparkle, Ms. Chase,
One day sold out.
And to my virtual playground, thank you so much. And of course, sa bumubuo ng Magic Care family, Ms. April, Ms. Padin, thank you so much for trusting me. Lagi kong gagalingan, of course. Madami pa tayong plano and surprises. At hindi lang dito nagtatapos na. For me, lahat ng brands na nagtitiwala sa akin, tinitreat ko as family. So, family na tayo, ampun na ako. Thank you so much and looking forward for more. Thank you so much, guys.
Alright.